Greetings Smartphone here. We're going to be looking at how we can uninstall this app right here on our desktop computer. Yes, so we're going to uninstall. Alright, first you want to come right here, the startup menu. We're going to click and notice this is what you come up with. You notice this is Microsoft Edge settings, Chrome, but settings is where we want to focus on. We want to click on that. Now when you click on it, if you notice this is what come up, but if you notice here to the left, you want to go to apps. This is apps, you're going to click on that. Notice, there's install app, advantage and app settings and all that. So this is where I want to focus on app. Come out here and you click. Now when you click, now this is what happened. You're going to show you all the apps that are on your computer so far. Alright, that you can see. So this is the one that I wanted to get rid of. So you come right here, notice if you look at that, you're going to click. You notice this is a modify. Right here say uninstall, you're going to click on that. Notice this apps and it's related. You need to uninstall right here, so you come right here again and you click on uninstall. So when you click on that, what you wanted to do, notice you say yes. Alright, if you notice, are you sure you wanted to completely remove it, you're going to say yes here. If you notice, it show you right here, so you said actually install. You notice and it was successful. Let us click, and then when you finish, you can actually go right back to the front. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video.